So now we are going to see the scales of measurements. So what is measurement? Measurement is central and essential to the process of obtaining data. It means from the raw data, we will give the value of an attribute. Okay. To give a value of an attribute, we need measurement. So that is very important one. So that's why measurement is central and essential to the process of obtaining data. Data means values. So measurement is the assignment of numbers. In measurement, what we are doing, measurement, we are assigning the numbers to objects according to specific rules. Not simply we will not give numbers to the attributes, but we will, by following some rules and regulation, we will assign the numbers to characterize quantities of an attribute. That is based on that when we give the numbers, that will show the character of the attribute. Okay, characterize quantities of an attribute. So measurement is the assignment of numbers to objects. Assignments means we are giving numbers. We are giving numbers to objects according to specific rules to characterize the quantities of an attribute. Okay, so to characterize the quantities of an attribute, we are assigning some numbers by following certain rules. This is called measurement. So measurement is very important. So there are different types of levels of measurements are there that we are going to see now. This level of measurements, there are four levels of measurements. One is nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. Like this, four levels of measurements are there. How these and all differentiated, that we are going to, I am going to explain you. In this, that is based on these and all, I am going to explain based on the examples. Highest level of measurement, magnitude, equal intervals, absolute 0 point, quantitative values. There are two types is there, quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative means quantity, its character. Sorry, quantitative means it is a number, 100 percentage or 10 numbers. Like that when we explain, that is called quantitative. But if you are telling good, bad, that is qualitative. If you are expressing the values with numbers, that is quantitative. If you are expressing the values with character, then it is qualitative. Qualitative. So nominal, if you are taking this level of measurement, nominal, for this nominal, I want to say one example, that is color, gender. In color, red, blue, yellow, I have given here. In gender also we can say male, female. That and all comes under nominal. That is naming. Sir, naming. There is no number. Naming. Red, blue, yellow. This nominal is the lowest value of lowest level of measurement. Because with this we cannot, this nominal level of measurement we cannot apply in so many different type of measurements to take particular value. Only very basic measurements we can use this nominal. That's why we are telling it is lowest level of measurement. It is the lowest level of measurement because we cannot use this for any calculation methods. only certain calculation methods there will it will be useful. Then this nominal level of measurement will show no magnitude. Magnitude in the sense you see here red, blue, yellow is there. In this, which is higher, which is lower, we can't say because all are having mutually exclusive. These three are mutually exclusive. It means having same values. There is no higher, there is no lower. That's why we are telling it is mutually exclusive and exhaustive values. So there is no magnitude. Magnitude in the sense its highness. There is no highness. All values are mutually exclusive, mutually same. So that's why this nominal has no magnitude. There is no equal intervals. In between red, blue, yellow, is there any interval? No. So that's why there is no equal intervals in the nominal level of measurement. Absolute 0 point. There is no 0 point. There is no zero. There is no numbers. There is no numbers. So only it is a nominal type of measurement. It is very lowest because there is no magnitude, there is no equal interval, there is no zero value, there is no quantitative values. That's why without this we cannot use this nominal level of measurement in different types of measure different types of mathematical calculations. We cannot use in different types of mathematical calculations. That's why we are telling it is lowest level of measurement. Once again, nominal is example red, blue, yellow about color. Then another example male, female. So in this and all, there is no magnitude, there is no equal intervals between them, there is no zero values, and then it is not numerical value, that is quantitative value. So that's why this type of measurements are comes under nominal level of measurement. So another one is ordinal. Ordinal example, adequate knowledge. If you are considering the knowledge is adequate, moderate, inadequate. You see in this, here also like red, blue, yellow, like that name will be there. That's nominal type is there. But here it is having certain type of orders. You see first one is order, adequate. After that only moderate will come. After that only inadequate will come. Otherwise we can do inadequate first, we then moderate we can put, then adequate we can put. Like this, there is some order, but moderate, inadequate, adequate means that is not showing its order. But usually when we write this type of examples, we will this type of values we will write adequate, moderate, inadequate. Otherwise inadequate, moderate, adequate. Okay, so whatever it is having a particular order. So that's why we are telling it is ordinal. Okay, then it is not very lower or it is not very high. Okay, so in between it will come. Okay, this is then magnitude. It is having magnitude because here one is high, one is low. Here adequate is high and inadequate is low. Between some values are coming moderate. So it shows the magnitude, the highness it is showing, the highest and lowest showing. So adequate is high, moderate, between, inadequate, low. So there is magnitude. It is explaining the magnitude of this value. So equal distance, no. Absolute 0 point, no, because here this is not number. That's why the adequate and moderate between there is no distance. So that's why there is no equal interval and there is no zero value and quantity value. This is quality of knowledge of this is quality of knowledge. That's why it is comes under quality, not quantity. But quantity is, that's why there is no nothing. Okay, this type of here this also like nominal, but in this there is order is there. It is arranged in order. We have to arrange this type of values in order. That's why it is comes under ordinal. It means it shows magnitude of the values. That's why it is comes under ordinal. Next is interval. In interval temperature we can say interval. Temperature here, so here this is also it comes under between lowest and highest. That's why here nothing written. Then magnitude is there. It shows if high temperature means high, then moderate temperature, then low temperature. Like that we can arrange. So that's why magnitude is there. In temperature, we can arrange order wise also. That's why it shows magnitude. If high temperature, then low temperature, moderate temperature, then low temperature. Like that we can say. So it's that's why it is come magnitude is yes. It shows the magnitude. The interval scale shows the magnitude. An equal interval, yes. So between the temperatures, there will be equal intervals should be there. When we arrange interval scale, we have to we can make the intervals equal intervals. 60 degrees to 80 degree. Okay, 90 degree to 100 degree, like that. The between interval is same, 60 to 80. So 20 is there, and 90 80 to 100, 20 is there. So like that the intervals we can manage in equal way. That is interval. So here we cannot intervals and all we cannot maintain, nominal ordinal we cannot maintain, but in interval scale like this example temperature, for that intervals we can maintain. And there is no absolute zero, because it will go beyond zero, it will go maybe -1 -2, like that it will go. Temperature we can say, -1 -2 -3 is -40 degrees Celsius, like that we can say. That's why there is no absolute zero. Absolute zero means lower than zero nothing is there. If there is a thing like minus, then it is comes under interval scale. Okay, there is no absolute zero. And it is quantity. This is, it shows numbers. 30 degree means number, 40 degree means numbers. So its quantity is there. So it is quantitative values. And ratio, example height. In height, it comes under ratio. Example, it is the highest, the ratio level of measurement is the highest level of measurement, because this ratio values we can use many type of, otherwise all types of mathematical calculations. That's why it is called highest level of measurement. In this four, which one is highest level of measurement? Ratio is highest level of measurement, and nominal is lowest level of measurement. And magnitude, it also shows the magnitude. Ratio also will show magnitude, how much higher is there, that we can say. um, Example, one person's salary is 1000, another person's salary 2000. So we can say how much higher salary the person is getting. 1000 higher, 1000 rupees more one another person is getting salary. So like uh, that that shows magnitude, how much high, how much low. So that's why it is magnitude also is there. And equal intervals, yes, ratio also we can maintain equal intervals between the values. And absolute zero present. Ratio absolute zero present means less than zero, no is not there. Example, height, I said -1 centimeter height is not available. It's actually height is starts from zero. Height is starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, like that it will increase, but it will not go down to the zero. -1 -2 is not possible. So that type of things we are telling ratio. So absolute zero is there. That's what it is called, absolute zero. If one value starts from zero, then it comes under absolute zero. Okay. And quantitative, yes, it is quantitative values. Okay, understood? So we have seen level of measurement. There are four levels of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio. Then example, nominal color red, blue, yellow. This nominal is the lowest level of measurement in from these four, because this we cannot use in different calculation methods. That's why it is very lowest in this four level of measurement, and it will not show any magnitude. It means it will not show which is higher and which is lower. In this red, blue, yellow, here we cannot find which is higher, which is lower. So that's why there is no magnitude. In this nominal will not show magnitude. And in nominal there will not be any equal intervals. You can see red, blue, yellow, between that no intervals. We cannot decide or find any intervals. And absolute zero values also will not be there, and quantitative also is not. This is quality. Red, blue, yellow shows the quality. So quantitative is not there. Next one is ordinal. Ordinal quality, it shows the it also showing the quality, not quantity. It's here magnitude is there, because which is higher, which is lower we can find, and based on that we are making the arrangement in order. So that's why we are telling it is ordinal. And in interval, example temperature, this is a quantitative, and there will be equal intervals we can maintain, and it shows also magnitude. So, and it is 0, absolute 0 is not there, because it is go to 0, -1, -2 all also it will show. That's why we are telling interval scale. And ratio, actually it will start from 0. The values will, if starts from 0, then it is called ratio, because it will not go -1, -2 and all. For example, height, HIGT, height starts from 0. Now height, we cannot say in height there is -1, -2 like that. So height is example. It is the highest level of measurement from these four, because it can, the ratio type of measurements we can use in all type of mathematical calculation. And magnitude, it shows magnitude, and it's having equal intervals. We can show equal intervals, and absolute 0 is already there, I explained, and quantitative values also is there. Okay, so quantitative, there are two things, interval scale and ratio scale comes under this quantitative. It is not qualitative, it's a quantitative. Other two, nominal and ordinal, is qualitative. It's quality of certain objects, it will say. And absolute 0 point, only ratio is having absolute 0 point. Other things not having absolute 0 point. Absolute matlab, it means there is no -1, -2, -3 like that type of values. But in interval, that type of values is there, -1, -2, or 0, 1, 2, 3, everything is there. That's why it's not comes under absolute 0 point. If there is an interval scale, like if interval type sorry, okay, then ordinal, there is no number, there is no 0, there is no equal intervals, because it is showing about quality, and only magnitudes are there, which is higher, which is lower, that we can express. And lowest, nominal is lowest. In nominal there is nothing. In magnitude also it will not show. Okay, any, thanks.